Computer, a device that accepts input, processes data, stores data, and produces output, all according to a series of stored instructions. Hardware includes the electronic and mechanical devices that produces the data, refers to the computer as well as peripheral devices. Components hardware. System unit. Case that holds the power supply, storage devices, and the circuit boards, including the motherboard. The CPU, our central processing unit, where the processing in a computer takes place, often called the brain of the computer. Pointing device. Pointing device create the input interface. With the help of this interface, user helps to control and feed the instruction to the PC using physical moving handheld devices like a mouse and more. Control to the position of pointer on the screen of monitor with using pointing devices.
Computer hardware devices are divided into four major categories: input, processing, output, and storage.
Input hardware device. Input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information appliance of input devices of computer. Mouse. With the help of mouse of computer can be control a cursor and select all types of text, files, and icon on your computer screen.
Trackball. In the trackball, one small movable ball places on the surface, and using this ball can move any direction on the computer screen. Touchpad. Touchpad is best alternative to mouse device in which all input give to computer by touching to touchpad. Mostly this component is embedded on the laptop. Pointing stick. Pointing stick device shape same as pencil eraser that is placed between G, H, and B key on the keyboard.
Graphics tablet. Graphics tablet is also known as drawing tablet. The main purpose of this device is to draw any types of sketch on his surface with using digital pen. Touchscreen. In the touchscreens, user can select any text, file, and file with own fingers without any other components. Light pen. This shape like a pen with using this input device to feed input directly by this pen on the computer screen with good accuracy. Stylus. Stylus input device is look like a small type pen shape. Purpose of this component to give the input instructions to computer screen and graphics tablet.
Motion sensor. Motion sensors detect the motion input that are given by user without any other input device. Interactive smartboard. This is special digital smart whiteboard. User can control the computer with the smartboard when write anything on the surface with the help of stylus and digital pen. Fingerprint scanner. This device used for authenticate the user when they press their finger on the surface of fingerprint scanner. Multi-touch screen. With the use of this technology, multiple users can send input at the same time.
An output device can receive data from another device and generate output with that data, but it cannot send data to another device. Examples of output devices include the following. Number 1, monitor. Receive data from a computer or output and displays the information as text and images for users to view. It cannot accept data from a user and send that data to another device. Second is projector. Receive data from a computer or output, and display are projects that information as a text and images into a surface, like a wall or screen. It cannot accept data from a user and send that data to another device. And third is speaker. Receive sound data from a computer and plays the sounds for user to hear. It cannot accept sound generated by users and send that sound to another device.
Audio input or output device. With the help of audio input devices, user can send audio instruction to computer for different tasks such as processing, recording, and more. Many audio input devices work with speech recognition programs because this software helps to translate spoken words into text document.
There are some examples of audio input devices such as microphone. This device is able to convert sound waves into electrical waves. MIDI keyboard. This device looks like a piano that is connected to computer via USB cable. Audio output devices. Some functionality are required for audio and video convert into hearable voice that our ears can hear this voice. This functionality may be special hardware and processing system, and this task can be fulfilled by audio output devices.
Here, few examples for audio output device are sound cards. This is external card which is attached with motherboard for holding the audio output information. Speakers. This is output hardware device that is used for the producing the sound. Headphone. This device is wear on the head, so its name is headphone. This device allow to users listen music without anyone. Onboard audio. This circuit embedded internally in the motherboard that produce the output in the form of sounds after process data.
Primary storage devices are designed for temporary storage but fastest storage devices and small size as well. Examples are RAM. RAM is volatile storage memory in which all data are gone while getting turned off computer. Next, we have cache memory. Cache memory stores such data which is repeating frequently, so accessing speed of this memory is fastest to RAM. Next, we have secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices are used for the permanently storage of data because if a further time require any data, then can be retrieved easily. The sizes of these components have large compared to primary storage devices and store capacity much high also. Examples are floppy diskette, hard drive, magnetic strip, super disk, tape cassette, and zip diskette.
Processing hardware devices of computer. Processing is most important function of computer because in this space has been done transformation to data into useful information using with many computer. Processing computer hardware devices. Function. The main function of processing devices are have to responsible for getting meaningful information from converted data with the help of various processing devices. Processing device examples are microprocessors. Microprocessor is logically integrated chip that is process all logical instruction and produce the output. Second, GPU. Graphics Processing Unit is also a processor that is designed for rendering the videos and image with good quality.
Central Processing Unit. With the help of this central processing unit, can be executed all instructions such as logically, arithmetically, and operation which are given by users. Motherboard. Motherboard is heart of the computer because all processor and other components are connected with the motherboard. Network card. Network card help to connect multiple computer and other devices of computer. Sound card. Execute the voice instructions and raise the output in the sound form.
Video card. Used to process all video instructions and yield a good quality video.